Welcome to Daily Prayer VN. Today, we come together to pray for strength and faith for our families during times of difficulty. Life often brings challenges that test our patience, but with God's strength, we can overcome anything. Let's join in prayer for our families to remain strong and hopeful through every trial. Times of hardship can feel overwhelming, but in those moments, we are reminded of the strength that comes from God. Today, let's pray for the strength to endure challenges, the faith to trust in God's plan, and the hope to keep moving forward, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Lord, please grant our family strength and faith during difficult times. Help us always feel your presence and give us the courage to overcome every challenge in life. May we trust in your guidance and never give up, no matter the circumstances. Help us remain united as a family, knowing that with your strength, we can face anything that comes our way. What challenges is your family facing today? Let's pray together for the strength to overcome. Share your prayer requests with us in the comments below, and let's support each other in prayer during tough times. Thank you for praying with us today. May God bless your family with the strength to face every difficulty and the faith to trust in His plan. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Prayer VN for more prayers in our family series, and may God be with you always in times of struggle.